এসেছে নতুন মানুষ যদি আয় চলে তার বিবেক বৈরাগ্য ঝুলি দুই কাঁধে সাদা ঝুলে তার বিবেক বৈরাগ্য ঝুলি দুই কাঁধে সাদা ঝুলে এসেছে নতুন মানুষ যদি আয় চলে এসেছে নতুন মানুষ যদি আয় চলে জীবনে
Here is the view of the fine temple consecrated to the memory of Shri Ram Krishna. The temple is a neat and simple structure of sandstone and marble, of moderate size befitting the rural surroundings. It is surmounted by a shivling, which reminds one of the vision which Chandramani Devi had in the nearby Shiva temple. A marble statue of Shri Ram Krishna, 2.5 feet in height, is installed on a marble pedestal, on the front face of which are engraved a primitive husking machine and an oven, symbolizing the homely husking shed where the Prophet was born. At the entrance of this temple is eagerly waiting the vast multitude of people to pay their respectful homage. The sacrificial ceremony is now over, and the surging crowds enter the sacrificial shed. Still they're coming in their thousands. Elaborate arrangements have been made for offering cooked food to the Lord and for feeding thousands of people who have congregated there on the occasion. Vegetables, utensils and rations have already been stored. In a temporary shed, cooking is going on in full swing and volunteers are busy helping the cooks. The cooked rice is piled up. In short, no pains are spared to make the feeding of such a large number in an out-of-the-way village a complete success. It is now time for partaking of prasad, sacramental food. People make their way towards the gate of the dining hall, enter it quietly in batches and take their seats. Food is served in a simple fashion, and about 8,000 people are sumptuously fed. On the following day, the memorable occasion comes to a close. The huge